Okay, come closer, let's talk, okay? Ever wondered what real trading success looks like? This for forex traders, and not just for forex traders, for any other person that is growing or thriving in his area of specialty, okay? Now, grab your popcorn, let's talk. I'll be using traders as yardstick to do this video, okay? Some traders were successful just for 6 months to 1 year. Before you know it, they fell to ground zero. So one of the things you will ask yourself, why did it happen? So let me tell you one of the reasons some of them did not last for a long time, okay? They made money from forex, but they chose luxury lifestyle immediately, and it led them to total collapse. These are some of the things that affect to that forex trader, not just forex traders, even young people that makes money. So let's look at it. Forex and business are the same thing. When you make money, you buy assets, you build assets, you build businesses, you save up for any day. I will tell you that most people I started forex with are nowhere to be found. What happened? Most of us made money. Some used theirs to live luxuriously. Some spent on ostentatious items. Some even grew from 0 to 30. Okay? And what happens? Most of them could not sustain the pressure of that lifestyle because people that were earning normally, let's say 200k, all of a sudden they will start living a lifestyle that they will be spending like 5 to 10 million on a monthly basis because they now have a luxury car, they now live in an expensive house where they pay very huge rent. Okay? Now, at the end of the day, you did not ask yourself how much is your capital, because most of the times they actually made this huge fortune from maybe like $1,000 account or $2,000 account. Maybe they saw like $20,000, boom, and they start living luxuriously. Now, see what will play out if you also find yourself in this situation. Now, your trading account is $1,000 and your lifestyle is 2 to 3 million on daily basis. How will you sustain it? So there will be pressure on that account, and what will happen to you is that you'll be forced to blow that account, and when that happens, you will go to ground zero. So when you start making money in forex, the first thing you must do is, number one, set up a business. Okay? So that if anything goes wrong, you can always go to the business, take money and fund back. The second thing you must do is you must buy assets. Okay? Don't go into liability. Buy assets. Okay? The third thing you must do is start saving. There are a whole lot of investment savings that even give returns while they are waiting in the bank account. In case you want such suggestions, I will also suggest them to you. You can type in the comment section that you want those investment programs that can be yielding you small return. So you don't just start spending money. Then the number 4th thing you must do is make sure you withdraw profits. Make sure you don't grow the account while you are making profit. Be bringing it out. Any day you want to expand the account, forge huge amount of money. And the 5th thing you must do is maintain risk management. Your money management should be top notch. If your money management is top notch, things can hardly happen to that account. But if you are the type that believes that you need that boom and you will grab some good money, then split your money, maybe take out 20% of your account and create a second aggressive account. I have an aggressive account and a conservative account. Anything can go wrong with my aggressive account, but nothing hardly goes wrong with my conservative account, because that's where I take out profit. That's where you can see, oh, you can turn $1,000 to $30,000. You can turn $1,000 to $5,000 within days, within even hours. Okay? But you can't do that in your conservative account because you're likely going to blow it. So I know that this video is going to help not just traders, and you know you benefited from this video. Kindly like this video and also subscribe. Do well to also share with other traders and other people that are into other careers, because I've seen it happen to a whole lot of persons, not just traders. Okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.